In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the RS Logix software. So from start, again under Rockwell software, okay, you are going to find the RS Logix English. It says RS Logix Macro English. You click and this window opens. It will be blank because there is no program. So very first program that you want to create, you're going to click on this icon here which says new. It looks like a blank paper. Now it is asking you the type of the macro logics, the hardware that you want to connect and communicate. There are a variety of them. It's very important to select the correct one. And here the information is actually written here. It's very hard to see, but if you look closely you can see that it says 1100 and Series B. That is the very first one in this. We press OK. Here is our very first programming environment. Now here you can see that there are some information. By double clicking on the output, you can see all the bits for outputs, and by clicking on the input you can see all the bits that are for inputs. Here we are going to create a program which is going to control those components. First we need to make sure that we are communicating to the correct hardware. For doing that, on the menu that it says COMMS, which is for communication, we go to system communication, and then here we need to find out which component, which kit is actually connected to this computer. At the moment, because I am sitting in the lab on my own, nobody else has any kit activated here, so there will be only me. So I'm looking at active IP address here. Do you see the cross red? So none of them is activated, only one of them is activated. And notice the number here, the IP address here, is exact same as this one. It's very important. Last semester some students were programming it, but they were sending the signal, the program, to the wrong IP address, and funny things were happening. People were controlling each other, kids. So just to make sure that you are communicating with the correct IP address, you need to do that and establish the communication link. So when you are happy with your right now is not responding, sometimes it's a bit slow, so you need to make sure that step is done before you go ahead and create your program. So I wait a little bit, and there is something wrong with that, but I'm going to check again. All right. Sometimes you forget to plug it in, so it doesn't have power, or it's not turned on, so you don't see the IP here. What you would do is to fix the problem on the kit, and then you press the refresh button over there. I show you again. See, there is this refresh which is not active right now, but by pressing that you would see all the active IPs here. So that should be connected to the computer now, and in next video I'm going to show you how to create a very simple circuit which can program the kit. And for beginning, we are going to look how we can see what component is connected to what bit number.